In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Calendly appointments. Whether you're managing a packed schedule, coordinating with clients, or just trying to stay on top of your commitments, Calendly makes it simple to organize your time. Today's tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of accessing and managing your appointments. If you're new to Calendly, it's an online scheduling tool that helps streamline event planning and meeting management. And if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly homepage. To do this, type www.calendly.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, log in using your Calendly account details. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your account. If you've forgotten your credentials, don't worry. You can always use the Forgot Password option to reset them. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the central hub of your Calendly account, where you can see all your scheduling options. Think of it as your control center for managing meetings, events, and appointments. Everything you need to organize your schedule is located right here. Now, take a look at the left-hand side menu on your screen. This menu is where you'll find different sections of your account. Locate the Meetings tab, which is typically positioned near the top of the side menu. Go ahead and click on it. This area is specifically designed to give you access to all your scheduled meetings and appointments, whether they're upcoming or ones that have already taken place. It's an easy way to keep track of everything in one place. After clicking the Meetings tab, a new page will load, showing you an overview of all your scheduled events. This section is super handy because it provides a clear and organized view of your appointments. You'll see everything neatly listed, making it simple to track and manage your schedule at a glance. From here, you can click on the details of any specific appointment in the list to learn more about it. When you do, you'll open a detailed view of that appointment. This is where you'll find all the important information related to that meeting, such as the date, time, invitees, and any notes or additional details that have been added. This view ensures you have all the context you need for each appointment. In the detailed view, you also have the option to perform additional actions. For example, you can edit the details of the meeting. Let's say you need to adjust the invite limit because more people need to join. You can easily make that change right here. This flexibility is especially useful for handling unexpected changes to your schedule. You can also generate exports of the appointment details. This is great for keeping records or analyzing your schedule further. And if necessary, you can cancel the appointment directly from this page. Having the ability to cancel gives you complete control over your calendar whenever plans change. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know exactly how to access and manage your Calendly appointments. Whether you're reviewing your schedule, updating details, or canceling a meeting, the process is straightforward and efficient. If you have any questions or need help with another Calendly feature, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe,